ana 2
1
omo 1 okay inti Premier baako Division 1 baako okay
and 11 wonders any Atram de Visa
okay
11 wonders any Atram de Visa True Life has of folk masters no omone pando out of lions timinim say we so akoma show no say bia wo so omontwe wo mo say we so akoma show at Techima Liberty Youth and Real Tamale United RTU Asante Kotoko defending champions omoni Aduana FC
Kotoko no why
Aduana
wow
nyam kwada game
wan e bohum
Kotoko ne bohum yeso e passion
what the man
Asante Kotoko Aduana FC
wow
Brekum Chelsea and Tamale City Brekum Chelsea and Tamale City Mediama and Samatex and of Nations
another cracker
aye Mediama Samatex Nations and Shedro Oblast
wow sizes should be na menko ayo
Dreams FC versus Interallies 11 Wonders versus Atram de Visa True Life versus Heart of Lions Techima Liberty Youth versus RTU Asante Kotoko versus Aduana Brekum Chelsea versus Tamale City Mediama and Samatex and Nations and Shedro Oblast
okay enti any MTN FA Cup R16 no fishers no na yede amam yenko no so na gobi enwe na ye minim Kennedy nsam no wo bibi kan na oni bibi kan so of course league no there's this school of thought or few say I have very very competitive because points na bobo we bo margin no lose we share our son no e lose debi Chelsea league no our form 18 ama points no bi wo kra because baby ankia bodui bi unenam 23 near the it means that the league no and our from Asante o coach sister na no Ghana Premier League no betimi age and af MTN FA Cup no baby also the Arabia
Rich competitiveness in itself doesn't mean say at you know a ye and I say a papa. And the last time when we changed the IFHS rankings of leagues, no, we are very very low. When it comes to the quality of the league, then it will take some time to be able to find out how quality a team, a league, as at this point in time, you ensure need the quality, no, sir. But of course, maybe I do say and we are looking at say competitiveness. Yeah, say the one my own strong, when you're quality, but we're competitive. You're holding the bimbe when that's true. You're competitive and you're competitive because you're holding the bimbe because I share Kotoko today in the Ghana Premier League. Player na Asante Kotoko can buy, no. Samatex can buy. Today, Kotoko doesn't have anything superior to prize a young player who free a tonsu. Say Brabebo Mami. That's even Bechem United in their prime cannot do. Even Omo Mobile League in Nations FC cannot do. Nations FC can say those things to those players. They can provide good salary. They can provide good, salary remuneration. On bet me provide this okay. You bet me a GFA Cup, maybe Yensu League needs me budget. In the last few years, it is not the Kotoko in the hands that have won the league. Yeah. Those days now can be a Kotoko. Yes, Kotoko team 40 points by now. Hearts were bare 50 something. Those days, because both of them commanded the best players on the league. They had the most form of revenue. But you see a whole park and so people don't come. And you galvanize more. So now it's even better. Now, see, Rich, look at the last 4 years. Now share a comparison of the supporters, the geographical location of the clubs, any the size of a stadium. Omukita 50 seater, 40,000 seater, 30,000 seater, 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, and they are all communal clubs. Samatex is a communal club. Samaboy is a small town in the western north region, and it's all called because of the timber mining. It's almost close knitted. If the company sets up a club and find ways to get the best players in and around the region, bring them together, and then make sure some constant community engagement, they will get them to come. And Obinya sa atmosphere to me creative of here. New home league games to me share. We sat here and said, say Ghana Premier League, the strength is about winning your home games. So Kotoko will come there away to summer, but they will struggle to get a point. Oba Kotoko, Baba has posted a European game. 40,000 capacity, also 40,000, about 5,000 penaba. So it looks like scores.
A big game,
You understand?
yeah, about 1,000.
Into Philly say away grounds. Obetimi about board. So yes, I think that's increased the competitiveness because the smaller teams or quote and unquote smaller teams also now can compete with the Kotokos and the Haas. But it doesn't mean that your league top. It doesn't mean that they are much improved. It doesn't mean that a league creme de la creme. Now we have still a long way to go. I think I am very much pleased with what Abayani GFA with giving the club seed money to start because it's important to get capital. It's somewhere to start from. Some clubs are Yati Omonka, and I encourage the clubs not just on phone conversations on Kennedy Boachi and Samo. There should be constant conversation both on traditional and digital media. One thing I feel like the clubs don't do is they don't take advantage of digital media. Rich, digital media is the future. Whether you like it or not. It doesn't mean that traditional media be few no more. But even traditional media will now operate heavily on digital media. Because if you pick up your phone, you probably bring TV cry. They watch everything on their phone. We should be able to find ways to constantly market and work towards getting your clubs better. And for me, it starts with branding.
Okay.
So to me, branding or club well, then you can attract somebody. I mean, Bediama is on top of the Ghana Premier League. Mr. Muspaka, what's he doing well? He has gotten some likable minds who understand the game, and they've done the very good thing. Use the connects that they have in Takwa Damaya Bosiforo to come in and help the club with money. Then you need around that, get a quality players, get a good manager. Then at least presentation is important. Rich, you need a bonfire for Nyame miracle and whatever. Trust me, no matter the blessing God wants to give to you, it's important that the presentation of it is important. How you put things across. And Mediama is presenting himself as a top club. Kotoko same, Hearts of Folk same. I think a league, we have a long way to go. But yes, it's competitive. Competitive enough doesn't mean say a top league. But the English word competitive, and it's clear because of the people who have won. Okay. Which Atapukuba the last time, say the one of the goals of Aduana Sporting Club is to win the FA Cup. Also won GPL in a very long time, and he wants to win it.
So when a league no win in there. Na over so Africa them say as someone call MTN FA Cup.
No, but one team here didn't pay no.
Kotoko. What a match.
Which that game can be bloody.
I'm telling you.
Because although Karim Zito has said that they want to win the Ghana Premier League, as it stands now also the FA Cup is more viable to win also.
Sure.
Inti Karim Zito so
all the league need now the MTN FA Cup need now.
Yeah.
Baby, I could obey to be a fast
final.
Obey to me the FA Cup now. League netting.
Yeah. And I will say, you better boy do FA Cup final, no IM more final, then we will still be in the league. Yeah. The way that the league didn't conclude here. But if in their mind they're able to scale past this 1-8, no Timiko could do final, or at least more FA Cup final. There's something to fight for. For the people of Bono also, in recent days of galvanizing the community of Doma and then letting them understand almost and they should support the club and get results, which almost so many aji. Winning the FA Cup will sound like something very, very nice for them. In the last few games, our performances were league a little bit up and down. Kaka. They would want to use the FA Cup, which is such a fantastic pair. One shiny year, it will bring all sorts of things. Dreams FC against Interallies. Yeah. I don't know if you've ever followed or you know people who have followed Interallies before. In that area of Accra, in Tema area, those days, not Interallies were league them. They had a huge following. And for them also, this is going to be a big game for them. Say, a chance to play further in this competition. I won't say Interallies these days, almost all players. This will give them a good chance because from this stage, Ghana FA Cup, I feel the camera say better that so. They'll be able to platform players and possibly sell them. There is a Western region derby. How was the Western Region Derby? Media Man is Samatex.
Yeah. Omi enu na so agi league.
Western Region Derby.
Omi no bi agi league.
About fantastic. Some Media Man that showed there, but also very, very huge game. We'll keep on talking about it, but Rich, we have some good games. Out to you travel down to Techiman to play against Techiman Liberty. We'll see how it goes. The Ghana FA Cup in Rich.
I said from Pamcho, intro amrasi na yemetu adwumade ne so Emma Menshawanzo 4.5 yeba